We are excited to invite you to Toronto in April 2025 for our Users Group Meeting, where we aim to elevate your knowledge and invite you to trust your position with our latest technologies and workflows.
Over the 3 days, you're going to experience an agenda packed with opportunities. We've tailored our event to provide valuable insights and hands-on experience.
Our expert-led sessions will cover everything from navigating solar disturbances to overcoming complex operating environments. You'll also hear real-world stories from customers who push the boundaries with our technology.
We've selected a venue in the heart of downtown Toronto. This is going to allow everyone to enjoy world-class amenities, delicious catered meals, and easy access to everything the beautiful city of Toronto has to offer.
This event isn't just about learning. It's about building connections that shape the future of our industry. From decision makers to product experts, the people you meet here can help take your business to the next level.
Mark your calendars for April 7th to the 9th, 2025. We will look forward to seeing you there.
The Trimble Applanix UGM is where it all comes together.